So hey guys, now we are on our pound USD. Please before you go, do not forget to subscribe. I need you to just subscribe by the way before we do our analysis on our pound USD for today. Now you can see ending of the month, we are on the 31st of this month where our price will actually be ending this month. Yeah, our day will be ending for for this month. Now see our pound USD, we can see on the long run, if you are to watch it, our pound is actually dropping. It has actually dropped massively, which is I mean very crazy by the way. So you can see our price has actually been dropping. So for the past weeks now, we are having something like a push up, like a bullish move, giving us a retracement. And I feel, and I've just highlighted this my key level here, this are key level here where I feel that our price will be dropping for this pound. I feel that our price is about to drop. And guess what? The start of today, which is Tuesday, we are having this red candle. Our price starting off with the day by going bullish down. So there's every possibility on our daily time frame we can actually go bullish for today. Bearish for today. So our price is actually going bearish on our daily time frame, and we are waiting for a pullback, right? We are actually waiting for a drop. That's at least a drop to about 140 pips. If you can have a drop for this week, get to our area here, which is actually good. We'll be able to grab about 140 plus pips or 150 plus pips by the way. So now on our daily time frame, we are seeing a drop whereby our price wants to start dropping by the way. You can see we are seeing a bullish move, then we are not seeing a drop. Now on our 4 hour time frame, we can see same thing. We can see that our price, as I think we can see something like a double top by the way. Let's mark here, we see rejection around this our area here, we saw another rejection around this our area here. So now our price is actually dropping. Let's see if our price will actually drop before this our area here, giving us, giving us 40 pips plus more to grab. At the time I'm up doing this video, by the way, if you have to see the time, because our London section has not yet opened, our New York section has not yet opened, so there's every possibility that you know price can push down, get to this area here, giving us we're able to grab 40 plus pips on this pips, then we can actually not see a push up. But as the way opening session, you can see that our pound is actually dropping massively. If you have to watch my weekly video where I say that our pound will actually be dropping by the way. So anyway, for today we can see that our pound is actually dropping. I feel that our pound will actually drop to this my area here, which is about 1.258. At least our price will actually drop 1.258, then give us another push up, something like a double, a triple top. One top, we can see it here. One top, we saw a 4, right? We saw another top giving us a double top, right? Then we double top, we are not seeing a 4. There's every possibility we can give us another push up, giving us triple top before we actually not see that push down before, and possibly break of this below structure. But let's see how our price plays out, because we don't want to trade what we think but what we see. Our price, that is exactly what we think. But right now, if I'm to take a trade now, I will be shorting my position to hit this my liquidity area here before actually going bullish. But above all, till when the price, the best time to actually want to take my trade is when the London session has opened or the New York session has opened. Now on our 1 hour time frame, by the way, you can see our price actually sits here about kind of ranging here, hitting our resistance here. We are going to be taking here as a bit of a support whereby our price wants to drop by the way. So that's why we are saying that there's every possibility our price drops, hit this our area here before we can actually now see a push up on our pound USD. And one thing, there's no major news for today, as we can go to our first factory. No major news on our pound for today that can actually move our can actually change the direction of our pound USD, or that might affect the huge movement on our pound USD. The only news we have for our pound is actually a low news that might not affect, even have any effect on our price movement for today. As you can see, we have the M4 money supply, we have the mortgage approval, we also have the net lending to individuals. So, and what again, that is the only news that might be coming out, which is a very, very low news, low impact news that we will be having for see low impact expected. So it might not cause a major move on our pound USD. As you can see, our pound is still dropping. We might want to see a drop to hit this our resistance support area before we actually go bullish. If you go bullish, then every possibility you can see a drop again for today. So that's my analysis. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.